Okay, let's go ahead and get started because, as you know, I must ask you a question. All right, so let's go. If you are not on here, these are the kids who have answered. Here they are. If you have not answered, let your mom and dad know what your answers are, and we will put you on the one for next week. All right, so let's take a look first. Olive, what did you say? Did you say cake, ice cream, or pie? All right, Olive said cake. So up you go. Bryden, what about you? Bryden said pie. Let me put him at pie. Ethan, we're at your turn. Ethan, cake, ice cream, or pie? Ethan said ice cream. It was hard to pick. It was hard to pick, but I think my first go-to is cake, just like Olive. Next we have Hunter. Hunter, what did you say? Hunter also said cake. And as you can see, I put my favorite cake here, yellow cake with chocolate frosting. Although I like chocolate and chocolate too. All right, Lily. Lily, what did you pick? Lily picked ice cream. Thank you, Lily. In we go. And Lucy, we're at you next. Lucy, what did you say? Cake, okay. Lucy said cake. All right, Mia, it's your turn. Where should we put you? Mia said cake. All right. And Miguel. Miguel, you're next. Where should we put you, Miguel? Miguel said cake. All right. Here we go. Now we are at Riley. Riley, what is your answer? Cake, ice cream, or pie? Also cake. And Tinley, what about you? Tinley says ice cream. All right, and Xander? Xander, what do you say? Xander says cake. So here is our graph. Let's see if we can make some graph information sentences, some data about our graph. All right, so let me get my basket and see if we can get some sentences here. Lily, can you give me a sentence using the words the most? Okay, she says cake has the most. All right. And next. Riley, can you give me a sentence using the word least? Pie, thank you, has the, what's next? Least. Pie has the least. All right. Now I need a sentence using the words, Tinley, can you give me a sentence using the words more than? More than. All right. Cake has more than pie. Oops. That is not an uppercase. Cake has more than pie. Thank you. All right, now I need a sentence with less than. Less than. Okay. Ethan? Pie has, remember less than means littler. Less than ice cream. Also true. Okay, I need another sentence now. We have more than, less than. Okay, the same. Hunter, give me a sentence using the words the same. Nothing has the same. Good, so none are equal. Now I'm going to need one that uses more or less with a number. More or less with a number. Okay, Xander. Okay, Xander says ice cream has 4 less than cake. Let's check you on that, Xander. Let's check you on that. Ice cream has 4 less than cake. In order to do that, then we are going to need to look to see what they have the same and see what they have different. So we're comparing ice cream and cake. Ice cream and cake. All right. And, sorry, ice cream and cake. So they have these the same, these the same, these the same. But ice cream doesn't have 1, 2, 3, 4 that cake has. So ice cream has 4 less than cake. And then what do we know about what has 4 more, Ethan? If ice cream has 4 less... Oh, Ethan, you already had a turn. Let me get somebody who hasn't had a turn. Lucy. If ice cream has 4 less than cake, that means that cake has 4 more than ice cream. Good. 4 more than ice cream. So if one has 4 less, the other one has 4 more. Great job. We will do another mustache question next Friday for Fun Friday.